guys, this is Rachel and you are watching Math Tutorials. Have you ever wondered on how to solve this kind of equation?
Have you ever wondered why those numbers have a baby-like size above them?
Are you having a hard time solving these little babies?
Worry no more because we are here to help you out.
Let's first define what an exponent is. Exponent is a symbol written above and to the right of a mathematical expression to indicate the operation of raising to a power that can be expanded or interpreted. These little numbers have different ways to be solved that are called the law of exponents. So, without further ado, let's go to the laws of exponents.
Hello guys, I'm Rodel Carubio from STEM 7 Mapagmahal. I'm here to discuss about the power of the same base. When the two exponential terms with the same base are multiplied, their power are added while the base
squared times 8 third to the power. To solve this, we should add their exponent because they have the same base. So to do this, it will be 8 squared plus 3 is equal 8 to the fifth of power. Then simple the final answer is 32,768. Let's try bigger numbers. Negative 24 cubed times negative 24 fourth power. To solve this, add the exponents, so this will be negative 23 cubed plus 4 is equal to negative 24 seventh power. The final answer is 4,586,471,424.
And let's go to another lesson, which is the quotient with the same base. The quotient of the power property says that dividing two powers with the same base is the same as subtracting the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator and raising the base to the power.
In order to solve this, we need to subtract the exponent of both terms. So y is to the 8th of power minus 19 is y is to the 11th power, and that's the final answer. Four squared divided by 4 is the 8th of power. So again, to solve this, let's subtract the exponent since it's same base. It will be 4 squared minus 8 is equal to 4 to the 6th of power. Then simplify. The final answer is 256.
So, nasa STEM 7 Mapagmahal, and I'm here to discuss power rule and productive power. The power rule for exponents says that raising a power to a power is the same as multiplying exponents together. So, when you hear the phrase power to a power, it just means raise one exponent to another. Keep in mind that exponents can come in various forms. 4x squared, y squared to the third power. Let's express this equation as 4 cubed x squared times 3 y squared times 3, and the final answer is 64x to the 6th power y to the 6th power. Now let's try it with a negative exponent. Example number 2. X to the negative 2 times to the negative 3 power. Let's distribute the exponent. X times to the negative 2 times to the negative 3 power. Now let's remember the integer rule, which is if we multiply the same sign numbers, it will always become positive. So the final answer is x to the 6th power.
Hello guys, I'm Princess Aliza Ileta Montessor. I am from STEM 7, Mapagmahal. And I'm here to discuss quotient to a power rule and zero power rule. So, moving on with the zero power rule. The zero exponent rule is used to simplify terms with zero exponents. The rule states that any term with zero as an exponent is equal to 1. The only time that is not true is if the base is 0. So example 1, negative 3 and 0 equals 1. 2 over 3, 0 equals 1.
Hi guys, I'm Amina Marela Manyaza of STEM 7 Mapagmahal, and I'm here to discuss about the negative exponent rule and the fractional exponent rule. First, let's discuss about the negative exponent rule. Negative exponent rule is a number or any variable that has a negative on its exponent. Our example here is x raised to negative 3. As you can see, we have our negative exponent, which is negative 3. So what we need to do is to bring down the negative exponent to the denominator, and we will put 1 as our numerator. So x raised to negative 3 will be 1 all over x raised to 3. Our next example is 5 raised to negative 2. So, same as before, we will bring down the negative exponent, which is negative 2. So, 5 raised to negative 2 will be 1 all over 5 raised to 2. Our second topic is about fractional exponent rule. So, fractional exponent rule is a number or any variable that has a fraction on its exponent. For example, x raised to a over b. Following the steps, our numerator a will be the power and our denominator b will be the root. So x raised to a over b will be x raised to a square root of b. So our second example is 5 raised to 2/3. Again, following the steps, our numerator 2 will be the power and our denominator 3 will be the root. So from 5 raised to 2/3, it will become 5 raised to 2 square root of 3.
Knowing these notes will help me to solve some mathematical problems that includes exponents. Bigger problems can have applications to 3 and more laws of exponents. That's it for this tutorial. I hope that you've learned something from us. Again, this is Math Tutorials.